Hey everyone, it's Marissa and I'm back with another video. Today I wanted to share with you a quick project share that was inspired by Anna. Anna is Serenity Creations here on YouTube and on Instagram, and I will post her tutorial down below. So, her tutorial that she did was on these hair ties, these spiral plastic hair ties. This one I purchased from Daiso. But I guess at the Dollar Tree, they were selling these heart hair ties and using them on their chunky charms and for crafting, right? So, and this is just basically a regular plastic heart hair tie. So, Anna had made a tutorial on how to make them into a heart, and so that they're stable. So, but using the round ones, of course. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started and show you guys what I did. So the backstory is I was shopping with my daughter at Claire's. If you guys don't know what Claire's is, it's like a little shop for little girls. They sell hair ties, phone accessories, socks, not teddy bears, but what do you call those things? Squishmallows, plushies, earrings, necklaces, things like that. So it's like a little boutique shop for little girls that can shop. And I saw these. I came across these. These are the same hair ties, but they're just printed. So I purchased this one and a few other ones. I guess Claire's had a sale. I believe it was buy anything in the store and get 3 free. So it was buy 3, get 3 free. So I saw these really cute hair ties and I could not resist. So they had a 5-pack and the 5-pack was $6.99, and then they also had a 4-pack, which was like, I want to say $4.99 for 4 or $5.99. But the thing is, each pack had different, some had solids with prints and some just had prints. So I'm going to show you guys the ones that I purchased. So this is kind of like a haul slash project share. So this is one of the sets that I bought. I bought 2 of these. So first ones I'm going to show you is the set with 4. So look at how, oh, and let me show you. All you need is this. This is like a cutter. And then this 18 gauge wire that I purchased on Amazon because I didn't have it in my stash. I had every gauge except for 18. So, and Anna will show you this in her video, and I will link it down below to, so just in case you wanted to see the tutorial. So anyways, back to my share. Look at how stinking cute. So this was a set of 4. It came with 2 prints and 2 solids. And look at how cute. This is so cute to gift. And then they can go ahead and make their chunky charms, dangles, or whatever they desire. So this is one set of 4, okay? There's that one. And then the next one is my favorite. Look at how stinking cute. So this one was the animal print, and this one has clouds. This is a solid white, and then if you look closely, those are rainbows. And then the coordinating yellow to go with that. So there's that. And then here's another one. This is super adorable. Look at how cute. So they have like the red. It's like a reddish pink. And then some strawberries. And then orange. And then these have oranges on them. Isn't that so freaking cute, you guys? So I could not pass this up. So I was able to buy 3 and get 3 free. So I was super excited about that. I'm going to, and these were so fun to make, fun and easy. And that's what I liked about it. So there's that. And then here's a set of 5 that they had with the coordinating colors. So this one is so pretty. I like this color. It's like a hot neon pink. And this is an animal print here. And then there's this one. It's like an iridescent white. And this one right here is pink hearts. And then this one is pink with white stars. So that is that one. And then, so like I said, I bought 2 of these, and these came out so cute, you guys. So cute. So those of you, that's the cost of it. But like I said, it was buy 3, get 3 free. Look at how cute they turned out. Look. Isn't that so cute? I love the printed ones. So I don't see very many printed ones at the store. But I was lucky enough to find these at Claire's, and I don't even go to Claire's that very often unless we're at the mall, which is not very often. But it's an outdoor mall. But my daughter wanted to go because she had some money to spend that was burning a hole in her pocket. So there's this one. This is like floral with some leaves. And then this one is turquoise with some polka dots. And this one is pink with some polka dots. Super, super cute, right? I love it. So again, I will link down Anna's video down below. She does it at the end, I believe at the end of her video, because she did like a quick project. So yeah, so this is my project that I did in my car. I hope you guys have a fantastic week, and I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.